Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about the do's and the don'ts when it comes to tattoo aftercare. Let's get started. Alright, welcome back. So today we are talking about the do's and the don'ts when it comes to tattoo aftercare. In my last two videos, we talked about tattoo aftercare and how to take care of your tattoo after you got it. And then we talked about dry healing and wet healing and when you should use either one of those two processes. So in this video, we're going to be talking about do's and don'ts, what to do, what not to do when it comes to aftercare that might not have been discussed previously. Maybe you might not have even thought about it. Alright, so the first do and the first don't. Do moisturize, and then after your tattoo is fully healed, continue to moisturize. Your skin and your body needs that moisture to help with the healing process. And then after it's done healing, moisturizing helps keep your tattoo looking vibrant. Don't pick at your tattoo. In the healing process, you're going to notice it scabbing and peeling. Don't pick at this. Just let your body do its thing. Picking at these scabs and the peeling could cause your tattoo to scar, but also if you peel off these scabs, you could be pulling ink out as well. Do hydrate. Drink lots of water if you aren't already. Your skin is the largest organ of your body, so hydrating, taking care of it, will internally provide moisture and give your body the fuel and the energy it needs to heal your tattoo. Don't wear tight clothing. What this could do could chafe against your brand new tattoo. It could agitate your tattoo, and honestly, it also can suffocate your tattoo. Obviously, you can wear clothes, but just try to wear baggy clothing for a little bit just so your tattoo doesn't suffocate and can, again, still heal properly. Do wash your tattoo. I know this seems like pretty obvious, but nonetheless, it needs to be on here. You need to remember to wash your tattoo. On the flip side of that, don't wash your tattoo with a loofah or really anything other than your hand. What washing with a loofah does, it rubs off all that dead skin and prematurely. And again, that can cause scarring or the tattoo to not heal properly. Do use fragrance-free products. That goes for lotions, for ointments, even perfumes and colognes. Try and keep all that stuff away from your tattoo, and the reason for that is those are just extra chemicals that are added into those products that could affect the healing process of your tattoo. Don't touch your tattoo. Don't let other people touch your tattoo. Alright, just for the healing process, what happens when you touch your tattoos, you can be introducing bacteria into your tattoo. Touching your tattoo can also introduce oils from your skin, or if you didn't wash your hands before you touch your tattoo, you could be introducing chemicals or anything else that, again, might be harmful to your tattoo. Do expect bruising or raised skin. I think this one is important because a lot of people, especially if it's your first tattoo, can get alarmed by how hot your tattoo is, that it may be bruising a little bit, or that the tattoo is raised. Don't be alarmed. This is normal. You have to remember you just had trauma done to your body. So your body's natural reaction is to fight that. Just be mindful of that and everything will be okay. Your body is fine. Don't go tanning or just leave your tattoo exposed in sunlight, just in general. Make sure that you use sunscreen, preferably 30 SPF or better. The sunlight can produce harmful rays to your tattoo. It can cause fading. So it's just a good idea to just make sure your tattoo is protected. If you're going out in the sun and you cannot cover it, use at least 30 SPF or higher. Do contact your artist. If you're concerned at all during your healing process, if you see something that you don't think should be happening, or you just have questions, reach out to your artist. Most artists will give you their business card, or you have the shop number. Call, ask for them, ask your questions. That's what they're there for. That's part of what you pay for and part of the whole process. They're there to help you. So make sure you reach out to them if you have any questions at all. Don't swim, soak, or sweat. What this means is do not submerge your tattoo in water. First and foremost, it can suffocate your tattoo. Your skin needs air in the healing process to start that process and to continue that process, and you deprive your tattoo of that if you soak it in water. When you go swimming, pool has chlorine. Most bodies of water are salt water, and so and then lake water or river water can contain bacteria. So going swimming, doing all that can be harmful to your tattoo. You can cause an infection, or you can again alter the healing process of your tattoo. Also, when you sweat, it could push the ink out. You're not going to see just like ink coming from your pores, but in the long run, you could see some of that bleeding out, and it could affect the healing process of your tattoo. Do show off your tattoo and enjoy it. You paid probably pretty good money for your cool new piece of body art. Show it off. Be proud of it, especially when it heals. It should come out nice and vibrant and looking clean. So show that off. Be proud of what you just did and what you just went through. And then our last don't forget to wash your tattoo. I know, I just said it, and you think it's common sense, but people do forget. They get busy, whatever their excuse may be. Don't forget to wash your tattoo. Alright, keep all the grime off of it. It keeps it protected, and make sure that no bacteria or infection can set in into your tattoo. Alright everyone, that is it for this video. We went over the do's and the don'ts of tattoo aftercare. Maybe you didn't know some of these things, maybe you did, maybe I clarified a couple things. I hope I helped you. If you have anything to add, leave that in the comments below so we can make another video and just get all this information out to people that may want or need to know this kind of stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you in the next video.